let's learn about conversion in decimal into binary. Here you all can see that we learn to how to convert a decimal number to a binary number. Step 1. Divide the given decimal number with the base 2. Step 2. Write down the remainder and divide the quotient again by 2. Step 3. Repeat the step 2 until the quotient is over. Step 4 and the last step is write the remainders obtained in each step in the reverse order to form the binary equivalent of the given decimal number. That is, placing the least significant digit at the top and the most significant digit at the bottom. Okay, so here as you can see we will go downward to upward. Okay, we will go in the reverse order. So this is example 1. Now let us move on to example number 2. We have a number 321. Okay, here we divide it by 2, we get 160, then 80, then 40, then 20, 10, 5, then 2, then 1 and then 0. So we will go downward to upward. That means 101 0000001 will be the answer. Okay. So the binary form for 321 will be 101000001. Okay. So observe that the remainders obtained in each step are written in the reverse order. You all can observe this very clearly that the remainders are written in the reverse order. Next we have is our binary to decimal. Okay, to convert a binary number into a decimal number, follow the steps. First, multiply each binary number with its positional value, which is in the terms of power 2 starting from extreme right digit. Increase the power 1 by 1, keeping the base fixed at 2. Calculate the sum of all the products to get the decimal number. Here, example 1 we have. So the number is 1010. So 0 is on the first, 0 will come on the 0 number. 0 into 2 is equal to 0. 1 into 2 is equal to 2. 0 into 2 is equal to again 0. And 1 into 2 is equal to 8. So 1010 is equal to 10. Next we have is our example number 2. In this, which we have is 1001. 1 into 2, 1, 0 into 2, 0, 0 into 2 again 0, 1 into 2 is equal to 8. So this answer will be 9. So hope you all understood this. Thank you. Okay, so next here we have understood the whole chapter. So now let us take a small quiz. These questions are from your back exercise. So let's start it. And if you know the answer, please comment that were you able to answer these all questions or not. So the first question is, the base of binary number system is? Yes, you all guessed it right. It's the answer 2.
Right answer.
Next, we have the base of dash number system is 10. The answer would be?
Right answer.
Very good. You all guessed it right. Again, the answer will be decimal. Next, octal number system consists of how many digits? Yes, you all again guessed it right. The answer will be 8.
Right answer.
Next, we have is in binary addition 1 plus 1 equals 2. 10.
Right answer.
Dash number system is understood by the computer system. Binary number
Right
system.
answer.
Dash number system uses 16 digits 0 to 9 and letters A to F. Hexadecimal.
Right answer.
In binary subtraction, we have 1 minus 1 is equal to 0.
Right
Thank you.
answer.
So here next we have a true false. First question. You cannot perform arithmetical operations on binary numbers. Is it true or false? You all are correct. The answer is
Right.
false.
Answer.
Question number 2. The decimal number system consists of 10 digits, that is 0 to 9. Is it true or false? Obviously correct. True.
Right. Answer.
The method to perform division of two binary numbers is not same as that of decimal numbers. Okay, I repeat, the method to perform division of two binary numbers is not the same as that of decimal numbers.
Right.
Very
Answer.
good, you all guessed right. It's false. Next is 1. When 1 is multiplied by 0, then equals to 0, means 0 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0 only. Yes, you all are correct. The answer would be true.
Right. Answer.
Next, we have question number 5. Charles Babbage introduced the concept 0. Yes, you all are again correct. False.
Right. Answer.
Aryabhat has introduced the concept 0. The number used in octal number system are 1 to 7. The numbers used in octal number system are 1 to 7. Is this statement correct or false? False.
Right.
Absolutely correct. This is from 0 to 7. Okay. So, now next we will do our application based questions. So guys, here you can see the application based question on your screen and with answer. Question 1 is, Ratika's computer teacher has asked her to convert an octal number to a decimal number. Okay, so suggest her the method which she should apply in converting the octal number. So the answer for this question will be, to convert an octal number to decimal number, start multiplying the digits of the number from the right hand side with increasing power of 8 starting from 0 and finally calculating the sum of all the products. Next we have question number 2. The teacher has given an assignment to Saurabh on binary subtraction. Saurabh is confused about how to subtract 1 from 0. Help him in solving this problem. So I hope you all are understanding this and you all have given the answers. So the answer for this, in binary subtraction, 0 minus 1 is equal to 1. So next are our multiple choice questions. So here we have the first question of multiple choice questions. Dash introduced the concept 0. Ada Lovelace, Aryabhat or the Charles Babbage? Very good. Aryabhat.
Right. Answer.
Next we have question number 2. A dash converts the decimal format into its binary equivalent. Absolutely correct.
Right. Answer.
Digital computer. A computer understands only the binary
Right.
code.
Answer.
In binary multiplication, 1 into 1 equals to, in binary multiplication, 1 into 1 is equals to, yes, correct, absolutely correct.
Right.
1.
Answer.
Next we have, to convert a decimal number into binary number, divide the number by, I repeat, to convert a decimal number. Okay, to convert a decimal number into a binary number, divide the number by, yes, you all are correct. Answer is 2.
Right. Answer.
So, okay, if you all want to do the question answers also, if you want to make the video, अगर आपको चाहिए कि मैं क्वेश्चन आंसर्स की भी वीडियो बनाऊं, so then please inform me in the comments. I will read the comments daily. So please tell me that if you want the video of question answers also, I will be there with the video of question answers also. So till then, bye bye. Stay home, stay safe.